I want to show you how it is possible to start a business of your dreams while you make money with this incredible and innovative system. Over the last few years, I've made over $2.5 million and developed businesses that are worth more than $10 million. No, this wasn't due to a miracle opportunity or magic button. Instead, what I accomplished is due to insane hard work. To do this, I had to study, research, work intensely, endure sleepless nights, and have a lot of dedication to my goals. It took years until I finally built a system that really works. Now today, I want to share with you what I am doing, and more importantly, how you can use the same system to build a successful business yourself. Plus, I will show you that it's possible to start earning money today, all while you learn, build, and test your business. I believe in the power of human will, and I guarantee you that you have the opportunity to work with exactly the same product, system, offers, and tools that I and hundreds of entrepreneurs use to make money online right now. I truly believe that entrepreneurship is the key to financial independence, and that every person with the right mindset and attitude can succeed as an entrepreneur. In fact, I truly believe that the ability to be an entrepreneur is inside of all of us. After all, I'm sure you've had some kind of money-making idea stored in the back of your head, right? In my opinion, entrepreneurship is the only path that can give me the life I want for my family and myself. Of course, entrepreneurship has both difficult and incredible moments, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. That's because it can take you places and give you opportunities that you might never have imagined. The best part is, as an entrepreneur, you can make exactly as much money as you deserve. If you are already a successful entrepreneur, great! It's because you are doing something right. You are on the right path, and you can see your success grow every day. However, if you are an entrepreneur that hasn't found success, it's because you are doing something wrong and need to try something different. Because you are solely responsible for your success, you need to understand where you made mistakes, fix them, and keep trying different methods until you reach the success you desire. That is why I believe entrepreneurship is the best way to financial independence, because you get to control how you succeed in business. So you might be ready to be an entrepreneur, but you might be asking yourself, how do I start? How do I put my ideas into practice while also minimizing the risks of losing both money and time in my journey? How can I be sure entrepreneurship will work for me before I dedicate myself 100% to it? How can I begin an online business, learn more, and maximize my chances of success? And most importantly, how can I raise money to start my business? I know those are a lot of questions to consider. That's exactly why I created the Builderall platform. I want you to be able to undertake, learn, and start your online business while drastically minimizing the risks. That way, you can make money quickly and invest in your business ideas as they grow. The good news is, there are so many ways to make money, attract more clients, and position yourself as an authority online. When you turn on your computer, there is always someone making money on the internet. They do it through virtual stores, digital products, email automation, affiliate systems, hosting sales, creation of sales funnels, video, AdSense, blogs, influencer networks, membership sites, courses, service providers, and apps, just to name a few. Now with Builderall, you can have all the tools you need at your fingertips to put your ideas and projects into practice. That way, you can take advantage of an industry that moves billions of dollars every single day. Envision waking up in the morning with an incredible idea. Now imagine if you had all the tools and knowledge you need to take that idea from conception to reality in the same day. Well, I did just that with Builderall, many times in fact. One time, I even created and sold a business in only 12 hours. With the Builderall business account, you can have access to all the tools I use to create successful online businesses. Not only that, but you'll also be part of our community of entrepreneurs who are just like you. You'll get to develop a network of support through shared information, knowledge, and experience with others. Plus, our entrepreneurial network could help you develop your next big idea or help you leverage your current business. However, you get more with Builderall Business. On our platform, you will find courses and lessons on how to promote and bring more traffic to your online business, one of the biggest problems many entrepreneurs face. But what if you don't even have a business idea yet? No problem. You don't have to start a business from scratch if you're not ready yet. Instead, you can work with Builderall's proven sales funnels to generate money immediately. Plus, you'll see how possible it is to build your dream business while making money with our incredible and innovative leveraged affiliate system from Builderall. You see, every user who signs up for Builderall Business is automatically an affiliate on our platform. You will already have all the material and training you need to start promoting the Builderall platform in multiple niches. All you have to do is pick a sales funnel you like and drive traffic to it. Our funnel system makes the sale for you. If you don't know how to generate traffic, don't worry. On the Builderall Business platform, you have tons of available courses to teach you how to generate traffic on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other online platforms. All you need before you start is dedication towards your success and the willingness to learn. Let me explain more about our leveraged affiliate system. 1. You earn 100% commissions of your client's first payment. That way, you'll have immediate returns in every sale. That allows you to invest even more money to drive traffic to your site, and so you can make more sales. 2. You earn 30% commissions every month your client makes a payment for their account, no matter which of the many Builderall plans they picked, such as Builderall Presence, Builderall Marketing, or Builderall Business. 3. In case one of your clients buys Builderall Business and sells as an affiliate, you will earn 30% of the sales from that client. That makes this a two-tier commission structure with extraordinary earnings for both you and your affiliates. 4. Every month, when your client's customer pays for another month on the platform, both you and your client will earn commissions. That means you have the ability to earn massive amounts of passive income through our two-tier affiliate system. 5. You can sell your account within your own client's network, since it's yours to control. That's not possible in any other affiliate system. 6. Eventually, more paid traffic yields diminishing returns on investment, which makes it hard to grow your business from paid advertisements alone. However, with our two-tier system, you can leverage the power of your network to reach more leads with zero investment. 7. Users need the tools, builders, solutions, new stuff, and hosting that Builderall offers. Plus, we have the best overall price and quality product on the market, which means you can build a business that has profit potential for years to come. With all that, Builderall brings an incredible opportunity for you to build a powerful business online. You can start your own business using our tools, system, and build an affiliate network of clients. All entrepreneurs know that building a business with multiple streams of income is an excellent idea. We make it possible with Builderall. So, how does the affiliate system work? When you activate your Builderall business account, you'll find the affiliate system on the left-hand side. When you click on First Steps, you'll begin immediately. Everything is already there to help you generate income today, including courses and tutorials. You'll also join a community of other Builderall entrepreneurs that will help you learn and get your system working right. Once you feel confident with our platform, you can start your online business or create systems to leverage your offline market. You'll finally be the entrepreneur you always wanted to be. Of course, the results you see will depend on your personal effort, plus those in your affiliate network. If you want to know what is possible, however, you can use the calculator on this page to set goals for how much you would like to sell. Let me show you an example of how you can leverage the power of the Builderall system. Imagine that, as an affiliate, you sell only one Builderall account per week. After a year, you would have 52 clients that earn you USD $2,594 upfront and USD $780 recurring. Well, you could sell one account a week, or you could offer a webinar and sell them all at once. It depends on how you want to promote Builderall. In any case, here's where the true power of the affiliate system comes in. Of these 52 accounts, say 30% of those clients also want to work as an affiliate like you. They too will promote Builderall and will make one sale per week. Now, your recurring income skyrockets to USD $12,544, earning you a solid monthly income from all the clients who use and love the Builderall system and happily pay monthly to have access to our amazing platform. My name is Eric Salgado. I am the CEO and founder of Builderall. And if I could describe the secret to my success in 3 sentences, I would say, learn, but take action with what you have learned. Take controlled risks. but also take advantage of all opportunities. Endure, persist, persist, and persist. Finally, it's time for you to take action. I hope to see you building an amazing business, participate in our community, and create a large network of entrepreneurs while you make a lot of money fulfilling all the dreams only entrepreneurship can let you fulfill. It is all possible with Builderall. We want to make it easier and safer for you to build the business of your dreams while making money with our amazing system. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start right now. I can't wait to see you around the Builderall community soon.